Hey there YouTubers. So this is quite cool. I'm in St James's Park. Let's have a little look. So we've got some geese and stuff. We've got this little guy, this little squirrel. He's making his way away from me. Let's see if we can get in a little bit. What an amazing little creature. These squirrels are everywhere. And they look quite tame actually. I clearly think people have been feeding them. Look at that little guy and his tail. Grey squirrel, of course. Moving really nicely. Wow. Looks very healthy. Hopefully he'll come back this way. I'm just going to wait and see. He might come back. There's quite a few though. I think he's staying there for the moment. This is the same squirrel. Keeps moving away from me though. Pesky little squirrel. See if I can come round a touch. It's just having a nosy. Look at him go. What an amazing little creature. So amongst busy London, he's just nosing around. It could be a she. Coming this way now. Could we be lucky? Oh, got scared then. Great claws. What an amazing mammal. It's in the tree now. Just pausing. Okay, this is the second squirrel. Actually, either bigger or meatier legs. So whether that's a male instead of a female, I don't know. It's definitely a bigger squirrel. Still having a really good nose around. Quite incredible. Lovely tail as well. Look at him go. You see the wider stance on the legs there. I think he's probably older. Come on, come a bit closer. He's having a proper good look there. I just wonder what he's finding. He's definitely a little bit braver than the other guy. Wow. Look at that fur. Amazing little guy. They're all having a little nose round. They're making these little holes, searching. But I think that's where another squirrel's already searched, which is interesting. I think this one's following the same pathway that the other one took, going probably in the same places, looking for something. I'm not sure there are any nuts left. I think they've gone. There we go. Super cool squirrels in St James's Park. How amazing.